Selfridge here. We have another tutorial on our song of the week, Havana, and the instrument today is tenor sax. Let's get started learning the scale for this song. We only need to know 6 notes for this song, and they happen to be part of a scale called A natural minor. Here are the notes: A, B, C, D, E, and F. So using those 6 notes, we're going to learn this song in 6 short phrases. And we're going to learn these phrases at a slow tempo, and then at the end we're going to put them all together and try to play the whole song. So let's get started with phrase 1. 1, 2, 3. Here's phrase 2. Phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 2. Phrase 4 starts off exactly the same as our last 2 phrases, but it's a little bit different at the end. Here's phrase 4. Now here's phrase 5. Now here's the final part, phrase 6. So now we've learned all 6 phrases that we need to play the main melody of this song. Let's go back and review those 6 phrases. Now that we've reviewed those phrases at a slow tempo, we're going to put it all together with our background track and try to play this song at our full tempo. So listen for the click and try playing along. So there you have our song tutorial for the week. It's the song Havana. I'm releasing a new video every day for the different instruments in the band, and I hope we get your instrument included in our tutorial. Remember, you can download the sheet music and the play-along track at our website, gobando.com. The link is down in the description. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. Like this video, leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Now go practice.